Hello, my name is Phil Kesler, and welcome to Tai Chi in Serenity Valley. I'd like to take a few minutes to introduce myself and to explain a little about why I've been making videos and why I am doing what I'm doing so that you have a little bit of an understanding of where I'm coming from and what I hope to do. Um, First of all, um, I told you my name, Phil Kessler. I'm a Gulf War veteran, uh, disabled. Um, Fortunately, I still am able to walk and talk and do a number of other things. And I was exposed to uh, Tai Chi through my physical therapist, wonderful fellow named Kit Plummer, and you'll see some of his videos on my channel. And he got me hooked on doing Tai Chi. Uh, and while I was doing Tai Chi, the opportunity came to take a course through the VA in teaching, and I saw how the Tai Chi was benefiting me and helping me to breathe better, helping me feel better about who I am as a person, uh, as well as get my my blood and just things circulating in my body better. And and I decided that I wanted to open up an opportunity to teach fellow veterans as well as trauma survivors and people in the other helping professions and people in my family and so I've begun to do that and so I've started to make some videos, started to teach some classes to some folks, and I thought that by making some videos I might extend uh, this ability to present some classes that might benefit folks to the general public that were interested. And so I hope to present on this channel some videos about Tai Chi, about Qigong, some guided meditations, anything that I think might help enrich uh, the lives of others, uh, help them achieve a state of wholeness, happiness, better health, that sort of thing. And Tai Chi is a ancient martial art that is also a modality for health improvement. Um, you'll see people in parks uh, around the world practicing in as individuals, practicing in small groups, large groups, doing Tai Chi before the workday, uh, especially in Asian countries. Uh, and more, Tai Chi is finding its way into the health community. More and more research is being done to discover the health benefits that come with uh, doing Tai Chi and people that have chronic pain, people that have chronic issues, people that have cancer. And even though it may not necessarily cure certain diseases, they're discovering that it helps improve lung function, for example. It helps improve the quality of life. The helps reduce depression, helps reduce stress, this sort of thing. Now, I want to be very clear about something right up front. I'm not a doctor. Uh, this is in no way a substitute for your medicines. Um, this is something that you should do as a complement to your medicine as a complement to your regular medical treatment, a complement to other physical therapies that you might do. But you will probably find if you are in some sort of physical therapy uh, that your physical therapists and your doctors would probably be overjoyed to find out you were trying a little bit of Tai Chi, just like many doctors would recommend for many patients to do some yoga for that same basic reason. Uh, but Tai Chi is low impact uh, in the sense that it's not going to really stress out someone's heart, generally speaking. So most heart patients could probably do it. Uh, but once again, I'm not your doctor. So before you try anything, talk to your doctor, talk to your nurses, talk to your health professionals before you embark on any kind of new exercise routine. But for the most part, uh, Tai Chi is generally safe for many folks. Um, but I just want to be very clear about the fact that I'm not a doctor and I'm not giving you medical advice. Um, but I have found in my own life that it has helped to reduce my stress, helped reduce my PTSD some, um, the battles that I face day to day. It has helped me cope better with things. And as I pass along what I know to others, I think I am seeing an improvement in some of those others that I'm working with. Um, and better quality of sleep is another thing that oftentimes people indicate that they feel that when they practice Tai Chi, uh, it helps with better quality of sleep. And for those of us that suffer from a lot of issues with sleep, that could be an added blessing. So that's another positive in favor of doing it. But once again, consult with your medical uh, authorities on all of that. Uh, you will find that um, by practicing the moves and the flows that Tai Chi does slowly and in a relaxed fashion, uh, with our muscles, arms, legs as relaxed as possible, in a soft gaze, letting our hands, letting our legs move in a flow type fashion. As you get accustomed to doing the different movements, you'll find that that eventually you'll begin getting into a kind of what we call a meditative in motion posture, where time seems to stop almost, and you're just working through and doing the movements and the breathing. And for at least a little while, maybe 10, 20, 30 or more minutes that you're doing the different flows, and we vary the flows. When you get to where you're enjoying doing it, you may discover that you've just forgotten whatever troubles have come your way, at least for a little while. I know I have. And so I invite you to consider uh, trying some of these things and partake in some of the guided meditations that will be offered here. And as I update videos, make them better, um, I'll leave a note. I am um, learning just like everyone, um, just like all martial arts. We are all in a constant state of practicing, constant state of learning, and there's never any experts. It's all just learners, and uh, we're always happy when we have another learner practitioner joining us. And so I just am excited to see that you've clicked on this channel and you're watching this. And so let others know about this channel. And if you like what you're doing, uh, invite others and join us again. And I'll be making longer flows and some longer workouts that involve a full um, session of warm-ups and then some different flows and training. So as time allows, I'll be making these videos in between my regular classes. So I'll try to put some of those up too. Now that I have my elaborate studio here in my garage, half of my garage, and but the best studio is outside to get grounded outdoors. If you can do some Tai Chi outdoors, it's a wonderful thing when the weather is nice. So you learn a few of these techniques, practice them outdoors. Uh, it's fantastic to feel the air as you're moving with the movements. So, with all that said, welcome to Serenity Valley, and uh, namaste.